Hello everyone, let's take a quick moment to review PVTL again. This is going to be a follow-up video of the first one that I posted the other day on this stock. In regards to the news that it came out with, as I mentioned the other day, the chart wasn't the best thing. I didn't like it because it had a crazy formation in regards to like a technical support of resistance or anything like that, but because of the news, it was just a reaction of the market. Most likely we could say that it was just reaction and feelings and emotions on the news that they thought the company did something wrong and they went over an investigation. Although these things are still going on, I noticed that the stock, it's been kind of going sideways, a little bit of consolidation. But today, if you notice this candle here, we had a bigger than usual candle compared to the following ones here. Now, stock has the news and we had a big flush. As you can see, this huge gap down. After it gap down, big flush all the way to 1010 low. And then it's been consolidating. Now, we're going to go into the time frame to show you what happened today. And today on the 5 minutes, we're going to see that this is what happened. If you noticed here, this stock has had a little bit of reaction right here on the 50. It had a little bit of support around the 50 and the 100. This blue arrow signifies a crossover for the Bollinger Bands. And as you notice here, this yellow trend line here, while it was developing this thing, and he held a little bit of support here on the trend. If you notice here, the trend line was very, very interesting. Man, 1145 right here, this high was from back on the daily that we had a candle, the high of this shooting star formation here. It was a very important level for me, and this is what one of the things that I noticed here intraday, going back to it. The reason why you see this thing tap to 1148, again, a shooting star formation, this pullback here, the resistance was too strong. It really held resistance, and they didn't let this thing run up over that resistance there. We was 3 cents over resistance, but it pulled back from there. Now, the reason why I'm making a video as just a follow through or just a follow-up video, it's because I will be paying attention over the next few days. As I mentioned, guys, the reason why the stock pulled back so big was just because of reaction over the news. It's more feelings than reaction, and the market being a little bit overreactive of this news. If we are able to break these things and we can get inside of this pocket here, we have no resistance whatsoever. We might be able to run up all the way. So again, market reacts on emotions, and as you can see today, intraday, we have seen it run better than every other single day prior to today. So I will be paying attention. Hopefully you guys are paying attention too. And so thank you for listening. I just wanted to bring you a quick update.